What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful GLE400e that we have right in front of us. Of course, the color is a high-tech silver, as you can see. Looks absolutely gorgeous, especially if it's a bright color car. You get all the dark finishes that happens anywhere near the wheels or maybe the glass if it's tinted and whatnot. It does look really good. Now, of course, the camera is helping a lot by giving the people to see what they are actually about to buy, and it does look good, man. It does look absolutely good. So let's start off from the front with the lights. So here we have the multi-beam LEDs that are available for this car, and you do have your DRLs that will come on the top, and on the bottom here those two lights, which I'll turn them on later to show it to you. But that's how gorgeous the lights look. For the bottom piece right here, for the front bumper, you get the black exterior linings here and there. Makes it look absolutely nice. Very aggressive looking finish of a front bumper, because it's the AMG line, right? And then for the center piece at the bottom here, you have this chrome, bright chrome finish for the center. Looks really good. I like the design of it, very presentable, and a lot of chrome pieces that are highlighting all over the place, all the way to the side of the car. Your number plate goes right there, and then you got your amazing grille, which is the Mercedes-Benz started grille. Like how it looks, man. Very good indeed. You got your 360 camera located down here as well. Very nice. So for the top hood, you also get some lines on the top hood, as you can see from the side here, and then the center here. And the Mercedes-Benz badging is also in black. Very nice. Looking good. So moving on to the side, we have the Pirelli tires that come with the car, as you can see. 5-spoke wheel, two-tone finish of a wheel. You got some silver on the outside, you got some black on the inside, and also you get the AMG wording right here as well, with a drill disc brake for the front. Very nice indeed. Mercedes-Benz calipers right there. You get your Mercedes-Benz badging also in black. Pirelli tires is what they are using. Tire size 275/45 R21. So looking really good, man. Very nice. So for the side here, you do get your EQ hybrid, because this is a plug-in hybrid car. And your side mirrors also follow the body color as well, so you get some silver happening right here, and then there's a black matte finish of a housing. You get your 360 camera right underneath, and for the side steps you do have it over here so as well. Looks good. Door handles are in chrome together with the silver body color, with some chrome that goes across the whole side. And of course, yes, the railings, dude. I like these railings, and then you get a glass roof right on top, which is already open underneath. So let's go in, take a look. Firstly, when you open up the doors, let's take a look at what we see. You get your open paw wood trimming. Looks good. Burmester sound system. I love the speaker sound system for this. 3 memory seats over here. You get your opening up for the door handles. You have your, how to say this, window adjustments up and down. And also you get your door with the handles to hold on to grip to close. And also you get your storage place to keep some stuff down here. Looks good. Yep, very nice indeed. So for the side, you have your Mercedes-Benz plaque right here, lighted up. AMG wording on the carpet, looks good. And for the seats, you have it in this semi-bucket kind of a design light, looks really good as well. Love the finishing of it. The side bolsters hug you really tight when you're driving, turning left or right, so grips really well. Let's hop right in, show you guys how it fits. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the passenger side, and wooden finish. You get your leather dashboard right on top. Looks really good. Very nice. So this is yep, how the seat feels like. Very nice indeed. The grip's really good. I like it. So for seat belts in black, and for the top, yep, you do get your glass roof, panoramic glass roof. Can actually open up for the front glass. Very nice. Leg room, just nice. I've not adjusted the seat just yet, but I think it's brought forward just nice. You know, even though it's touching right here, but I can still move it back if I wish to, all of it from that side. So let's get right down. Let's not touch anything. And let's open up the rear doors. Before we jump right into the rear, let us take a look at the wheels. So you do get your Pirelli tires for the back as well, but in this case you get the solid disc brakes for the rear. And tire size for this car would be 315/40 R21. So that's the tire size for this. You get your AMG wording right there on the wheel. Two-tone 5-spoke wheel also as well, looking good. So for the doors, you do get your seat adjustments for moving the whole seat forward. As you can see, it's currently moving right now. You can move it backwards. You can even adjust the backrest to make it fully reclining down, and also dragging it fully all the way to the back. So you have an option to do that all from the door side right here. You do have your handles to open up, handles to hold, to pull, to close the door, compartment storage down there, Burmester sound system over there. And this part right here comes off as a shade, you know. So yeah, you can have a shade electronically done from this button right here. So Mercedes-Benz wording at the side, you get your AMG wording right there, the carpet. And let's hop right in and take a look at what this car has to offer in terms of space. A lot of legroom space, man. Check that out, dude. A lot. So you got your air vent right here, looking good. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the rear. Check that out, man. The gap is fantastic. And yep, this is me with the glass roof open. Very good. Seat belts are in black as well. Very nice. And then for the center here, let's pull this down. Cup holders are available, both of them. Very cool. Let's jump right into the center and take a look at what's happening right here. So you do have your climate control adjustments over this side, your fan adjustments on that side, and then you get your two Type-C connectivities down here. So looking good. Center view is fantastic. Looks good. So let's get right down. Take a look at what else is there to offer for a car like this, guys. So amazing rear. Let's open up the back. Before that, wait a minute. GLE400e is the wording right there. You also get it in your amazing lights in dark finish. Some chrome finishing happening all over the place. 4MATIC because it's an all-wheel drive. Love the chrome finish at the bottom right here. Dual exhaust is what you get. You get a cut at the bumper because it's an AMG line, so it makes it look very much aggressive. So let's open up the rear boot and let's try and fold down the seats to see whether we can do that. Check that out. So with the button right there, this thing is folded down. A lot of space, man, dude. Check that out, dude. A lot of space. You can even remove the railing if you wish to. This whole piece can actually come off. Just gotta adjust it from the side and take it off, dude. Looks really good, right? Space is fantastic. Car is fantastic. Just gotta move it and then you can take this whole thing off. So very cool. So let's drop this down and let's head right into the driver's side of things. Take a look. So this is the sport pedals down here, accelerator pedal, AMG wording right there, Mercedes-Benz wording right there, the side plaque also as well, looks good. You got your compartment storage down here. Seat adjustments, memory seats, heated seats. Also you get your left control seats to control the left seat if you wish to. Window adjustments, side mirror adjustments happening all over there. Burmester sound system, wood finish. Very nice. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the center. Looks good. Driver's seat. And steering wheel is fantastic. I love how they have the spacing all over the place right here. Paddle shift, negative, positive, gear shift, wiper, light adjustments on this side, handbrake is on that side. You get your wireless charging down here, two cup holders over here, and yeah, touchpad to control all your settings, air suspension up and down. Compartment storage down here with your Type-C connectivities for your charge. Looks good. You got other two Type-C connectivities over here, and this one closes up. Very nice wood finish trim. Looks good, man. Car looks good. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the front driver's seat. Very nice indeed. Seatbelts are in black, fantastic. You got your mirrors right here. Frameless mirrors right there. Everything looks good. So let's turn on the lights, show it to you guys. How do they look like from the outside? Check that out, dude. Now let's take a nice cover photo for the front. Looking really, really good. Sup right there. Beautiful. So the lights are fantastic. So multi-beam is what you're looking at. Check it out, man, dude. Gorgeous. So let's move to the rear and see what's happening at the back. So for the rear, you have all these dark finishes happening, right? But you do get your lights popping up like that. So check that out. Amazing. Looking good, man, dude. Looking good. I like it. I like what I see. So let's now turn on the hazard lights. So you guys are able to see how does the signal light look like. So turn indicators are the side mirror. Looking good. So for this one right here, the top DRL that was on earlier automatically goes off, but all these other four continue to light up. So looking kind of cool as well. So from the front, as you can see, looks Very, very nice. So let's move to the rear and check out how the back looks like. So for the rear, you do get your turn indicators right underneath. Cool. Very nice indeed, guys. So that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about Mercedes-Benz cars, do head down to Mutiara Damansara, where you can locate this car and many more other gorgeous cars that these guys have lined up all over the place. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.